Hi, take any thick piece of cardboard and then take a round lid or any cover to measure the size you want for your table to be. You can make the larger size as well. And then cut the piece. You need to make 2 or 3 pieces together like this of the cardboard. Then take empty plastic bottles, place them in the center of the cardboard and stick them with the hot glue. Take another piece of cardboard and cut the A shapes on the cardboard like this, as I'm doing. I have stick the bottles and I have cut the A shapes. I did all of this without measurement. Just cut the pieces as much length you want your table to be. So here I apply the glue on top and on the bottom of the A shapes. Now stick them with the circle and with the top of the bottles. These A shapes depend on the length of the table you want your table to be. So cut it according to that if you want your table to be a bit bigger or the smaller. And this one is the second part of the table. Again, I am applying these A shapes on the sides of the round cardboard piece. Here it's done, and if you see there is a space between like this, you can take again the same shape and stick it to cover the space between each piece. And then you need to take a paper tape and secure them with the paper tape by covering all the sides around like this, so they hold the shape of each other. They will stick on the same place. Here 2 pieces on exact same shape and size I have finished. Again, apply the paper tape on the edges of the surface as well, like this. Here both are done. Now I will stick them together like this by inserting one piece into the other one. Apply the hot glue on the sides of the one piece and stick it inside the other one. Here you will see now how I am doing this. And because this is still soft cardboard, so it can easily a bit bend to put it inside the other one, here like this. And now again with the paper tape, secure the both sides, both pieces with each other like this. This is how it looks after joining them together. I'm using a silver glittered craft foam. You can use a color of your choice as well. Cut it exact the shape of the table or the surface like this. and try to cut it a little bit bigger than the exact size so it can easily cover the table surface, because we applied the extra cardboard also on sides like A shape. So cut it a little bit bigger to cover the surface properly. Now take white glue and apply it on the surface of the table to stick the craft foam over it. I am using a transparent plastic wrap. If you have a glass, you can put it over it, but I'm using this sheet, transparent sheet. Cut a little bit of nylon sheet and place it over it like this without applying any glue, because we will stick it from the sides with the paper tape only. Like this, cut some pieces of paper tape, apply it on the one side first, then keep pulling the sheet so it has smooth surface on the top like this, and keep applying the tape until it sticks properly. Here you can see how it's shine from top without losing the glitter of the surface. It's smooth and secure now. I'm using a kitchen foil, aluminium foil. Just simply apply the glue on the sides of the tables, both parts, and stick the foil on it. So this is how it looks. Foil I applied on the both sides of the table, and here you can see my old shelf as well. So yeah, this is like this done foil. I'm using some maroon color velvet pieces which I will stick to decor the table a little bit. You can use any color you like. Here like this I did it, and now some more thin pieces of the same velvet fabric. I will stick it on the top part of the table on the sides as well. And this is how it looks after finishing. Silver glittery sparkling top with the secure nylon sheet and some maroon shade as well on top of the foil. I hope you liked the tutorial. It was so simple and easy to recycle the cardboard and the plastic bottles as well. And it's just a simple table, coffee table, or you can use it on a side table as well to decor or something. This is how I will use this as a coffee table as well, to put it on the side of the sofa. Or you can use it just as a side table to decor or to put any vase on it. I'm using just a simple golden fabric. I loved it, so I just put it over it. Here like this also you can use this table. I hope you liked the tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.